Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Peppermint Crinkles. This is Anne. It's about the bye-bye products for the month of March and April. I do apologize, I kind of delayed. My laptop just broke and I needed to bring it to the fixers. Anyways, have you noticed anything behind me? Yeah, we did some major fixing. I still have this cabinet here in a little table here that I need to fix and arrange it. So yeah, anyways, before my camera would die soon, camera battery, I'll show you my bye-bye products for the month of March and April. Alright, let's see, 2 shampoos from Tesco Pro Vitamin B5 shampoo, which I was happy that some of the best sellers of Tesco products are already here in the Philippines, so I'm happy about that. Definitely going to purchase that. And of course, baby wipes, you know, I use this in my skincare routine. This is e.l.f. Shimmering Facial Whip in Spotlight. Yeah, definitely. This is H2O Spa and Hand and Nail Cream. I love it. It's really water-based, not that kind of sticky thingy. So, love it. Tea Tree Skin Toner. Not going to buy this anymore. After this, I won't buy it because it really is harsh on my skin. Sometimes my skin is a little bit crazy. Sometimes it's not normal, oily. Sometimes it's so sensitive, so sometimes it's prone to acne or blemishes. Almay eye makeup remover. Yeah, I love it, but I've already found a holy grail product, so I'm going to show you that later on. This perfume that my aunt gave me, I don't know the name, but I just love the scent, so I'm just going to keep this for the beautiful packaging. Yeah, and that is it, guys. That's my bye-bye products for the month of March and April. Thank you very much for watching, guys. God bless and bye-bye.